Picture this. You walk into a garden center, ready to start your backyard fruit paradise. You see the usual suspects: blueberries, strawberries, maybe a sad peach tree. You grab that blueberry bush, dreaming of baskets of berries. Fast forward a year, and you're staring at a twig with 3 tiny blueberries, if the birds didn't get them first. Sound familiar? It's the classic gardener's heartbreak. But here's the secret. There are superfruits out there, just waiting to explode in your backyard with zero drama. They're prolific, packed with nutrition, and easier to grow than anything at the nursery. Today, you're stepping into the world of backyard superfruits, 7 fruits that are tastier, heartier, and way more productive than what you've been sold before. Let's go. The first time I tried hearty kiwi, I was absolutely blown away. These tiny, smooth, grape-sized kiwis pack a punch, sweeter and more flavorful than anything you'll ever find at the grocery store. Imagine biting into a fruit that looks like a miniature kiwi, but tastes like a tropical treat, bursting with juicy sweetness. It's a surprise in every bite, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. My friend's backyard was a revelation. His hardy kiwi vines were absolutely loaded, hanging heavy with clusters of fruit, almost like bunches of grapes, but even more abundant. The vines seemed to outdo even the most productive grapevines, creating a lush, green canopy that was both beautiful and practical. The best part: there's no peeling, no fuzz, and no mess. Just pop them in your mouth, skin and all. It's as easy as eating a grape, but with a flavor that's uniquely its own. No sticky fingers, no hassle, just pure enjoyment. One mature vine can give you up to 100 pounds of fruit in a single season. That's enough to fill baskets, share with friends, and still have plenty left for snacking, baking, or even making homemade jams and preserves. Nutritionally, hardy kiwis are a powerhouse. They beat regular kiwis and most nursery fruits hands down, offering more vitamin C, more potassium, and a higher dose of antioxidants. They're a superfood that's as delicious as it is healthy, making them a smart choice for anyone looking to boost their diet with something special. These vines are tough. They shrug off late frosts, resist most pests, and thrive with just a sunny spot and something sturdy to climb. Unlike many fruits that need constant pampering, hardy kiwi is low maintenance and forgiving, making it perfect for both beginner and experienced gardeners. So why aren't nurseries pushing hardy kiwi? The answer is simple. Once you plant hardy kiwi, you're set for decades. These vines are long-lived and productive, so there's no need for repeat business. It's a fruit that keeps on giving, year after year. Some varieties are self-fertile, making them even easier to grow. But even if you need to plant both a male and a female vine, the payoff is absolutely worth it. The flowers are beautiful in spring, and the harvest is something you'll look forward to every year. Harvesting is a breeze. Just reach up and pull handfuls of fruit right off the vine. There's no complicated process, no special tools, and no waiting for the perfect moment. When they're ripe, they're ready. There are no thorns to worry about, no bird netting circus, and no drama. The vines stay tidy and accessible, making maintenance and harvest simple and stress-free. Hardy kiwi is a staple in home gardens across Russia and New Zealand, places that know a thing or two about tough winters and challenging climates. If they can thrive there, they can thrive almost anywhere. With such a massive harvest, you'll have more than enough to share. Friends and neighbors will be amazed, and everyone will ask why they've never seen these incredible fruits in stores before. Hardy kiwi, the first fruit the nursery industry doesn't want you to know about. It's the backyard vineyard you never knew you needed, and once you try it, you'll never look at your garden the same way again. Red raspberries are fine, but black raspberries are next level. Bigger, richer, and almost bulletproof. The flavor is a sweet tart explosion, and the deep black color means a megadose of antioxidants. Black raspberries outproduce reds, and the canes are tougher, resisting disease and bouncing back from winter. No endless spraying, just plant, mulch, and step back. You won't find them in stores because they're too delicate to ship, but in your backyard, that's no problem. Prune once a year, and you're golden. They spread, so you get more plants and more fruit over time. Black raspberries are loaded with anti-cancer compounds and heart-healthy nutrients. Forget berry supplements. Grow these instead. If you're tired of fighting with red raspberries, give black raspberries a shot. Sea buckthorn isn't your average fruit bush. It's a true survivor, thriving where most plants would struggle. With its silvery green leaves and bright orange berries, it stands out in any garden, drawing the eye and sparking curiosity. The berries taste like a lemon pineapple punch, intense, tart, and unforgettable. But don't let the bold flavor fool you. These tiny fruits are nutritional powerhouses, packing 10 times more vitamin C than oranges. They're also loaded with omega fatty acids, rare for a fruit, and bursting with antioxidants that help fight free radicals and support your immune system. It's basically a multivitamin on a bush, offering a natural boost for your health with every berry. People use sea buckthorn for juices, jams, oils, and even skincare, thanks to its nourishing properties. Sea buckthorn laughs at -40 degrees, shrugs off drought, and even improves your soil by fixing nitrogen. It's one of the toughest, most resilient plants you can grow, making it perfect for challenging climates or poor soils. Plant it, forget it, and it still produces like crazy. Year after year, you'll get a reliable harvest with minimal effort, making it a dream for low-maintenance gardeners. The berries are small and the bush is thorny, but here's the trick. Snip off a branch, freeze it, and the berries pop right off. This simple method makes harvesting much easier, even with those pesky thorns. Too wild for most people's taste buds and too delicate to ship, but in Europe and Russia, it's everywhere. Locals have cherished sea buckthorn for centuries, using it in traditional recipes and remedies. If you want a plant that takes care of itself and gives you a superfood harvest, sea buckthorn is for you. It's perfect for busy gardeners or anyone looking to add a splash of color and nutrition to their landscape. Just don't eat a handful your first time. Trust me, it's intense, tart, tangy, and a little goes a long way. But once you get used to the flavor, you'll find endless ways to enjoy it. But if you want the ultimate superfruit, this is your guy. Few plants offer so much nutrition, resilience, and beauty all in one package. Sea buckthorn, the vitamin bomb your garden needs. Give it a try, and you might just discover your new favorite superfood shrub. Blueberries are fussy, acidic soil, constant watering, stingy yields. Enter Saskatoon berries. Blueberries' cooler, easier cousin. They thrive in regular soil, no special treatment needed. The berries look like fat blueberries, but taste richer, almost like a blueberry-almond hybrid. One mature bush can give you gallons of fruit. More protein, fiber, and minerals than blueberries, with less sugar and more antioxidants. Hardy to Zone 2, drought-tolerant and low-maintenance. They bruise easily, so you won't see them in stores, but in Canada and the northern US, they're a backyard favorite. If you want a fruit that's easier, tastier, and better for you, try Saskatoon berries. You'll never look back. Sweet cherries are picky and high maintenance, often requiring just the right climate and plenty of attention to thrive. They're sensitive to disease, and their delicate fruit can be a challenge for even experienced gardeners. But sour cherries are the opposite. Cold hardy, disease-resistant, and super productive. These trees can handle harsh winters and unpredictable weather, making them a reliable choice for gardeners in many regions. Sour cherries are loaded with natural melatonin, which can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper rest. They're also packed with anthocyanins, powerful plant compounds that fight inflammation and support heart health. The flavor is tart and complex, perfect for pies, jams, or snacking if you like a zing. Their unique taste adds depth to desserts and breakfast dishes, and they're a favorite in traditional recipes around the world. Sour cherries are higher in antioxidants than sweet cherries, making them a nutritional powerhouse. These antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and may even support recovery after exercise. Plus, the trees themselves are small and manageable, fitting easily into most home gardens or even small yards. Their compact size means you can harvest fruit without a ladder. You can't buy fresh sour cherries in most stores. They're too soft to ship and spoil quickly, so you rarely see them outside of farmers' markets or home gardens. Grow a tree and you'll have more than you can use. Freeze them, jam them, bake with them, or give them away to friends and neighbors. They're perfect for preserving and enjoying all year long. Sour cherry trees are self-fertile, so you only need one to get fruit. They bloom late, avoiding spring frosts, and need almost no pruning or spraying to stay healthy. Truly, they're the ultimate low-maintenance fruit tree, perfect for busy gardeners or anyone new to growing fruit. If you want easy, productive, and healthy fruit, plant a sour cherry. It's a simple way to boost your harvest and your health. Your future, well-rested self will thank you, and so will your taste buds. Honeyberries, or haskap, come from Siberia and laugh at winter. -40, snow, ice, no problem. They flower and set fruit early, ripening weeks before strawberries. The flavor is wild, like a mix of raspberry, blueberry, and grape. Loaded with antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber. Some studies say even more than blueberries. No need for acidic soil. Just plant in regular dirt and water a bit. Super productive, pest-free, and easy to care for. Birds love them, so netting helps, but otherwise they're a breeze. Still new to North America, but they're catching on fast. If you want a fruit that beats blueberries at their own game, honeyberries are it. Aronia, or chokeberry, has a terrible name but is a true superstar. The berries are small, dark, and packed with more antioxidants than blueberries. The bushes are tough. Drought, flood, pests, cold, heat, bring it on. They thrive in almost any soil and produce massive clusters of berries every fall. The taste is tart and astringent, perfect for smoothies or jams. In Europe, aronia is mainstream, but in the US it's almost unknown. Birds mostly leave it alone and the bushes look great all year. If you want a plant that grows itself and gives you a superfood harvest, aronia is unbeatable. Don't let the name scare you. Give aronia a try. There you have it. 7 fruits that are easier, more productive, and more nutritious than what the big garden centers push. I've grown them, friends have grown them, and they'll transform your backyard into a food paradise. These fruits aren't mainstream because they don't ship well or look perfect, but in your backyard those are advantages. You get fresher, healthier, tastier fruit, picked at peak ripeness. Stop growing the wrong fruit. Start growing these. Let me know in the comments which one you're planting first. If you're already growing any of these, tell me what I got wrong. Hit subscribe for more videos about food you should be growing. Thanks for watching. Now go plant something weird.